and closet. And
Oh, that sucks. Really need a double pond ram. Stuck in a four-way crack. Great. Now I get to navigate around the garage door opener and the garage door. Good times. Originally, my plans were to wait until I got my flex plate in, and then that way I could install the transmission and I could just stick the engine and transmission in one shot. But since I'm going on vacation this weekend, I got a little impatient and decided to just go ahead and stab the block between the frame rails today, which is fine. They gave me an opportunity to kind of work on getting some of the wiring straightened out, get things connected. Kind of boring stuff, wasn't really worth showing. It was just a matter of routing cables, cutting some of the new wiring to length, stuff like that. Pretty straightforward, not really worth showing. So I know there wasn't a whole lot to this video, but I appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you when I get back from vacation. See you later.